Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 242 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, I got 3 people booked for a spa room. Do we all get the same benefits? Steakhouse, on casual night, can a lady wear a cap? I really want to set my kids up so they can blow the horn as we're leaving port. How do I do that? Can I get my laundry that I send out returned to me wet? And love the express dining, but there's no vegetarian options.
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question 1. This cruiser is booked with their mom and their sister on an upcoming sailing. They're in a shared room that is a spa room. They heard that only the first 2 people on the booking get the spa perks and wanted to know if this was true. And if so, what about the third person? John said, you are correct. Only the first 2 people will get the spa benefits. If the third person wants to purchase it, they would have to do it separately through the spa itself. So I would not want to be in that room and say, oh, you're number 3 on the booking, you have to pay for it. That could be a big fight, especially since they're in the same room. But only 2 people get the benefits per room. Question 2. This cruiser was wanting to know about the dress code in the steakhouse. They wanted to know if on a cruise casual night, would it be okay for a lady to wear a cap? She said she has very thin hair due to her medication she's on, and it's not enough to even style. John said, absolutely. Wear it with pride and without a thought for everyone else. So a lot of people get up in arms about, oh, you can't wear a ball cap here, you can't wear a cowboy hat there, this, that, and the other. Enjoy your cruise, people. The hat has nothing to do with you. And some people have issues, like this lady, where she doesn't have enough hair and she doesn't want to go out like that. So if you like to wear a cap in the steakhouse on casual night, you most certainly can. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser is taking their triplets on their first cruise for their 16th birthday. They have heard that sometimes passengers are allowed to blow the horn before leaving port. They think this would be an amazing and special experience for their boys on their birthday. John said, I don't know who started this rumor, but it is completely false. He said he's very sorry, but they do not allow this for safety reasons. And you see this on the questions multiple times every day. No, you can't go to the bridge and blow the horn. They're driving the boat out. I mean, it might be cool. Actually, no. Can you imagine if they put like a button on Lido Deck where everybody can blow the horn? No, never mind. That's a bad idea. But anyway, you can't blow the horn when you're leaving port, period. Question 4. This cruiser is going on a 45-day Journeys cruise, nice, on the Carnival Frenzy, and they will definitely need to be doing laundry. They want to know if they can request the laundry to have that returned to them wet and not put in the dryers. John said, yes, indeed you can. He's never actually heard of anyone wanting this before, but yes, you can absolutely request it. Just speak with your cabin attendant and they can do that. So, I mean, I understand it. There's a lot of clothes you don't want to put in the dryer because they shrink. And, toward the end of the cruise on a 45-day cruise, you're going to be eating. So the ones that were tight to begin with, they're going to be, But also, it comes in a paper bag. How are they going to return it wet in a paper bag? I don't know. I see the point, but I don't know how they're going to get it back. Maybe they have plastic bags or something. But anyway, if you want your laundry returned wet on a 45-day cruise or not, you most certainly can do it so it doesn't shrink. Last question. This cruiser asked, it was Liz. This is Liz's question. Love the fact that Carnival is rolling out express dining, but was wondering why there isn't a vegetarian option as an entree. Is this something that can absolutely be added to the menus? John said yes, he will pass this on to his colleagues, colleagues, but they definitely do have a vegan and a vegetarian choice, so just ask the waiter for which one that is needed. He said he is going to see if they can get this added to the menus also. So apparently there is vegetarian and vegan options available in the express dining. They just didn't put it on the menu. So they definitely need to put that on the menu because Liz is a vegetarian. Nothing on there is something that she can eat. We both enjoy the MDR. We're not big fans of an hour and a half, 2 hour, dinner. 45 minutes in and out, back to the casino. Hell yeah, we're in. So let's hope they put it on there. But all you gotta do is ask for it. They do have it. That's been episode 242 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.